Yo, yo, yo. Yo, 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 934. And a nice little move down here at the start. Hold on 1 second. Let me let me go get my kid real quick. All right. All right, we're watching right now. We're watching right now. Why y'all already crying? Like, why is that happening the first minute of the day? Trying to see if we're gonna hold up here. It's a tricky spot. It's a tricky spot here. Tricky spot here. Made a mess? Yeah. Hmm. Hmm. Mm-mm. Wait. Okay, we broke through there. Do we get a close, though? Can't really close, though. Um... Trying to see how this candle close here.
Order filled.
My gosh. All right. Stop.
Order rejected.
I feel like as soon as I get out, that's going to be the low. But got to get out of this. Yeah.
Order filled.
I got wrecked right there. Got wrecked right there. Ooh. Damn. I was trying to watch this hourly rejection right here. Off the 20 VWAP. We just ain't get it. Fell right through. Fell right through. It was kind of like wedging down too. That's what kind of gave me the still bullish momentum right here. It was kind of wedging down right there. About to get the 15-minute close here in 20 seconds. Yeah, I kind of got faked out here at the bottom here because what I was looking at was pretty much this area right here. We was holding this level. It's 295 level, got wick. Really couldn't close below this level until we did. It was a meltdown. Um, so yeah. Um, that's kind of why I was looking at longs right there. It just failed. Just failed. And then on top of that, the 5 minute was kind of, I mean, yeah, they was flipped, but this definitely looked more like wedge price action. $296. Do we get back above 296? $276. Wow. 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 You can't even call it. Wow. Back above it. Wowzers. Back up here. Damn, did I fucking see that, man? Did I see that? Trying to see if we're gonna get a move, a quick little move down here just to get a better entry, but it might be gone now. Imagine, imagine, imagine.
Order filled.
I got in right there. Of course, I didn't want to, but wowzers. Look at that wick, man. I mean, it just went down further enough just to stop us out, I swear. I hope we get a pull. If we get a pull, I'm definitely gonna add. Damn, I should have got in. It just zooted it from the 72 up to the 95 in one minute candle. 20 points. Ooh, that might be the pullback right there. Yeah, that's the 5 touch. Should have waited on the 5 touch there. That is the 5 and the 15 touch right there.
Order filled.
All right, yo.
Order filled.
I got wrecked today.
Order filled.
That 5 touch was crazy. Ah,
Order filled.
so the reason I got long there is because we double bottomed here, wick bottom. After the 5 touch, really couldn't close below the zone again. Uh, yeah, so I got long. Right here, you can see we rose up, came back down, and still wicked the low. So we'll see. Still playing this hourly time frame. It's 40 seconds left on it. Rejecting off again here. Might be done. Alrighty, I'm outie. Whew, damn.
Order filled.
Hmm.
Order filled.
Ah. Yeah. You opened it? Yeah. Good job. Hey, 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 man. Damn. Yes. Okay. What are y'all doing? Don't be pushing him. Don't push him.
TV.
That we're basing down here. Of course, because I'm short now. I'm short now and it doesn't want to go down. Hmm.
I think it's a move.
He messing with the remote.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Now fix a song. You fix a song.
Okay. Go, go, go. I don't want to hear that. I don't want to hear that. Start that wine and stuff. Nigga always wants something. Uh.
Arose to defend us.
Oh my gosh, man. Why do I get the drops like this? Wow, bro. You can't make this shit up, bro. Eeh, choppy down here. I just want to get stopped out, man. Hit the TP already. Mm,
Order filled.
damn, man, I need to start trading the fucking trend, bro. Damn. That was such an easy hold because we never really even broke back above the 20 EMA. I mean, granted, it was choppy as fuck, but I never really was like nervous, I guess. I mean, damn, man, we gotta start trading that fucking trend, man. Damn, damn. The long term really fucked me this morning when I seen this wedge. Thought me maybe get rejection right here and break through easy. Fail wedge. I think I'd be trying to anticipate too much for sure. I think that's what be messing me up. Um, I think that's what be messing me up. I be trying to anticipate a little bit too much instead of just following what they say. Like this 5 touch, that's my shit. I love that. I love that. And it worked out beautifully today. Came through, boom, 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 took out the low. So yeah, I think I just be kind of anticipating the move a little bit too much instead of just um the trend is the momentum is down. Even though we're long term up, obviously the momentum is down, and I have to wait until the momentum flip up. That's what it is. You gotta wait. If you want longs, okay. Say you didn't want to trade this chop short right here, because I was in this for a minute. I think I was probably in it since like right here. Just drop back down. So a little bit of chop through there, but if you didn't want to trade this and you wanted to wait for longs, you just have to wait for the whole thing to switch back. And that's what I don't be doing. I don't be waiting for the switch back. Like I'm taking longs right here, for example, which is because, like I said, we was wicking right here, really couldn't close below these wicks until like this one, till it took off. But right here, look, we sold off, couldn't really break down, broke back up, sold off again, then held right here again. So I'm thinking, okay, that's probably what we got in, and it. But the thing is, the momentum is bullish. I mean, it's bearish right now. Momentum is bearish. The EMAs are flipped on all charts. Even right here on the 5, we flipped back right here. So we was kind of, but the thing is, this looked like a wedge. Even how the EMAs are crossing back and forth. That's a wedge. It just didn't play out. It's a fair wedge. So that's what it is. But trying to see now exactly what do we do, because we're kind of far from the 15-minute EMA now. Just try to make another low and wicked it. We TP though. Um Look like it want to fade down though, based off this. This dude funny. Ah, man, what a fucking day, man. It could have been so easy. It was easy. Got the 5 touch right here. I mean, could get in shit. That 1 hour really got me today, but that 1 hour, it got me today. I was just thinking long today, to be honest. Got 26 minutes left on the hourly. Do we get a push up here? Maybe to the 5? Maybe back to the 5? And I took some big losses too. 151, 231, 147. Like, damn. Damn. Through the 1 hour here. This shit is just going.
It be big like you.
It's big like me? My hand?
Things be big like me.
We about to hit that 4-hour 20 here at the 25,200. What is that going to do for us? I mean, can you blame me for going long here? I mean, Jesus Christ. That's all we've been doing. Yay. We do got confidence. Then I added. Whew. Alrighty, like I said, we're gonna give it a little while till 11, see what we could do here. Damn. I mean, I'm not mad. I'm not mad at my TP, to be honest. I'm really just kind of Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Nigga, don't fade out, nigga. If y'all switch. Yeah, I feel you. It's tough, bro. Miss her Meg. Back ass. Or two. Or two. Other team. Well, interesting spot right here indeed. Thing is, we're wicking off this 1 hour. $15 then gave back the whole candle. Hmm.
For that last one, what did you say in the huddle before they went out? And Asia, can you kind of take us through it, just from you on the floor?
We'll give the ball to Asia. Get out of the way.
What would
Head is just, I'm not. Asia Wilson is the best ever. I'm done playing with your money on the line. Give it to Asia Wilson. She had to go early and often, but that's what she do. We need a bucket to get this shit started. Feed 22. She can make that shit look so easy. Jackie Young comes off the pick, hits Asia on the roll. Go ahead, get that midi on. Easy money. And get to a point where the defense don't matter. Jackie Young get in the lane. Asia pops out to the 3-point line this time. Go ahead, get it out the net. Kaboom. Joe the range. Now let's show why we was co-defensive player of the year. Drop coverage turns into a switch. Give me that shit. I don't know why they be going up like shit sweet. They don't got a matchup for Asia Wilson. Bonner too small and fucking one. Becky, let them know so. WNBA Finals is lit. And if they gonna leave Bonner on Asia, just keep feeding her. Let her go to work. This is baby food. They bring the leg help, don't matter. She just forces it in. Third quarter, it got ugly for a second. Again, Bonner on her one-on-one. Just clear the hell out. Everybody. Just get to her spot. Turn over that right shoulder. Finish with the left hand. Unstoppable. Look at Asia clap her hands down low. Give me the ball. Stop playing right now. Give it to me. That's a baby down there. Easy work. Asia Wilson is on a mission. Dewana Bonner, great hands. The play ain't over. We right back to it. All she got to do is get to her spot. Turn around, fade. DB can't do shit about it. Bucket on one end and she hold down the paint on the other end. Thought she had an easy lane. No easy lane. Come on. Now best in the world. Ain't no ifs, ands, or buts about it. And look, if at first you don't succeed, get to a motherfucker.
So the reason you don't take that 5 touch, why don't you take that 5 touch? What was that? Oh, 4 hour. Well, trying to see why don't you take that 5 touch right there? Do you gotta wait till we get back below? They're long. Pat and D Money. And it's kind of like, do we give this whole wig back? We very well. Hey, we're continuing lower here. I'm about to be good though. I think we I think we're gonna be good. Catch our boys tomorrow. I think it's trying to switch now. This is what I have to wait for if I'm trying to get long as well. I gotta wait for the whole switcheroonie. And it still ain't even really switched yet, to be honest. We're still below the VWAP. Still could go down at any moment, to be honest. At any rejection point. Use the 5-minute 20 right here. We can use the 15-minute 20 VWAP area coming up at 89, 90, pretty much 290, pretty much 289, 290. Yeah, 289, pretty much is the VWAP. 288 is the 20. That's right, man. So yeah, but yeah, if I was trying to get long, literally I'd be having to wait till right now. You know what I'm saying? So I was 2 hours early. I could have been shortened for 2 whole hours before I was like, maybe we get it now, especially now because we done wicked off the 50 right there on the hourly. Show you the 4 hour. The 4 hour we done wicked off 20. I already know. I seen it. So it's just not loading right now. It's always the 4. It's always one of them. There we go. See, we wicked off the 20. So, yeah. So yeah, like I said, we could still turn down here and try to go make either a lower high or wick the bottom completely here. That's why I'm trying to see. Like I said, still below the VWAP here. On the 1 minute. Damn. That's a flex, man. Fuck, man. How? So, lesson of the day for real is watch the momentum trend. Momentum trend and trend for long term could be different. Obviously, you want them to line up, but when they don't, you have to trade the momentum. You have to trade the momentum. If momentum is down, you have to wait till momentum is up to trade the long term trend. So that's my lesson of the day. Trade the momentum, and really you can easily tell the momentum based off how these EMAs are flipped. If they're flipped down, obviously 20 below the 50, it's going to be more bearish momentum. It's probably not going to be that many highs broken, is what I'm saying. You see what I'm saying? It's not going to be that many highs broken. We might get pushes up, but they might just be lower highs. For example, this one right here, we pushed up lower high. We pushed up right here after breaking this wick, and still got a lower high. So even this right here, we pushed up and we pretty much this zone right here, this top zone. And I mean, I can almost pretty much call that a lower high too, because this was the high of this move. See what I'm saying? This was this move, and then we came back, retraced in this zone from here to here. We retraced in this zone, pretty much took out a high in that zone and wicked it. But pretty much the momentum was definitely bearish. Looking, I mean, obviously hindsight, you could tell, but and now it kind of looks like the momentum is trying to switch back, which kind of makes sense because we just wicked off the hourly 50 and the 4-hour 20. So, and now we're not really getting a strong really move. For example, this move, the last time we touched the 5 from 314, we dropped pretty much down to 200 from 314 off the last 5 touch. Now we're hitting a 5 touch again, and we can't even break the low. You see what I'm saying? So now the momentum's looking kind of bullish to where we're not really breaking the low. Instead, now we're breaking highs. So kind of like a little high break right there, came back, reject, and then we broke this high, but not really breaking no lows now. You see what I'm saying? Low, low, and low. So I guess my thing is kind of just wait till, if you want to trade longs, then you will have to wait all the way till right, like you pretty much be waiting till right now, or if not, probably 12 o'clock. But pretty much way after what I was trying to catch, which was at 9:38. You see what I'm saying? So it's kind of what I'm looking at. I was just trying to kind of do a little market participation here at the end, just to see how we was going to reject off this 5, to see if the 5 was going to flip momentum back bearish. You see what I'm saying? Because we could have easily flipped the 1 minute easy as hell to get flipped. Okay, it can get flipped bearish bullish easy as hell. That's why you got to use longer time frames to kind of see, okay, is this a pretty much a retracement, or is this a continuation move? That's what you be asking yourself. So is it retracement or continuation? For example, I thought this was probably going to be, not what I'm saying. Even if you think this is continuation right here, instead of a pullback, which it definitely was just a retracement up to the 5-minute 20 and then reject off. But if you thought this was a continuation move, we didn't really hold above this. You know what I'm saying? Like it really couldn't have been a trend continuation. I mean, like I said, the 1 hour, yes, but for trend continuation, you got to make sure that the momentum is obviously bullish. The continuation only works in the momentum of the trend. It only works in the momentum of the trend. Granted, we couldn't have got this continuation, but it's only going to work in part of where the momentum is going. We're not probably, I mean, I've been watching for a while. I don't know how many times we have pretty much like did this move, and then we did a continuation, and then we flipped it the same day. Like a continuation, and then you think it's a retracement, but it ends up being continuation of the long-term move. I don't know if we've seen that happen in one day. For example, like it's changing now, but I'm almost certain like even the 15 probably won't be back, or the 5 probably won't go back bullish on the whole day. Maybe take the whole day to do that. So pretty much what I'm saying is it doesn't switch like off the dime of a hat. They got to do some work before it switches. Like it's not going to go long and then continuation and then straight. I don't know. I haven't seen it. I really haven't seen it. Unless it's like a lot of volume in that day, but yeah, I think that's what it is. I'm like I said, if I want longs here, then I have to wait to all of like the 5 minutes got to get closer. Thank you, I appreciate it. The 5 minute got to get closer to the 20 and the 50, and then flip and all that. So, or at least get rejection from the top side. Let me see if I can find a good where it's flipped, but we got rejection to the top side. It almost never really happens for real, because once it gets rejection on the top side, it kind of flips already. Like, I guess probably right here, it was still down, and we got rejection from the top side, but it really didn't flip that long, so that could just be a retracement that hit a higher time frame. But for the most part, yeah, if it I'm trying to see, I guess even right there worked. Yeah, it's hard to tell right now. Obviously, it's just candle on top of, thank you, candle on top of candle right now. But yeah, I'm watching that. Y'all not getting my phone. What are y'all crying about? Y'all want to watch something else on TV? Say hey, y'all. Hold on. There y'all go. Say hey, y'all. MJ, you trying to get my phone back up. You're not getting it. Get him. Hey, baby.
That's it.
All right. All right, y'all. We getting up out of here. I see y'all boys tomorrow, man. Friday. What happens on Friday, we may never know. It looks like we're getting this low key now. This move down. But we good though. 11:20. Past our little time for sure. We'll be back tomorrow. GG's.